Welcome everyone to HFN. Today, November 6, 2019. Going to give you all the price chart for Bitcoin, and this article right here talking about one analyst that forecasts Bitcoin hit $7,300 is now expecting 100% price surge over the next couple of weeks to end out 2019. This is definitely an article that we need to look at to see if Bitcoin is even have the prospects of hitting $17,000 before the end of 2019. Thank you all for coming to our channel. Make sure you all continue to support our channel by subscribing to our channel, liking the video, sharing the video, and hitting that bell notification so you don't miss out on our price movement forecast without being confused. And simply check us out on our Twitter page, Facebook, and then on our website. We cover all the other altcoins in the market paired against Bitcoin if you're interested in seeing the price chart forecast for the pairs against Bitcoin. Now, this article came out today. We have another analyst who is looking for a massive movement higher in price in Bitcoin. Now, this article starts out with Bitcoin seemingly moves without rhyme or reason. That is not the way you need to start out an article. Okay. The market moves where it needs be. There is a lot of participation in the market that coordinates precisely where the market's going to go. This is not some confusion, don't know what to do, don't know how the market's going to trade, because understand the market definitely knows where it's going to go. Now, some analysts have created models and have made analysis that have accurately predicted price action in the cryptocurrency market. One such individual is Roger Cronquillo, a lesser known crypto trader on Twitter. He made a spectacular price prediction earlier this year, and it was in July. Just days after the leading cryptocurrency, talking about Bitcoin, topped out at 13,800, Cronquillo wrote on Twitter that we are going to test 78.50 to 73.50 price levels, and there is nothing you can do about it. So they got a screenshot of the tweet that he did on July 2nd, 2019, and Bitcoin did fall to around $7,300, which nearly was a 50% drawdown from where it was trading at that $13,800 price. All right. Now, although the bearish price action may continue, see, already they understand that the market in Bitcoin may be a little bit more weaker than it is showing us strength. But even though the bearish price can continue in Bitcoin, crypto analytics unit Delphi Digital found that it's highly likely that Bitcoin bottomed at $7,300. So they're not expecting Bitcoin to fall below $7,300 anymore. That was the last support area in the market in Bitcoin, according to Delphi Digital. One of their tidbits of evidence is that Bitcoin's volume profile, the amount of cryptocurrency that was traded, has printed clear signs that the bottom was in at $7,300. Volume is very important to understand in the market. More specifically, the market printed signs of weak volume, capitulation, a short accumulation at the bottoming range, then a surge out of accumulation into a potentially new bull phase. So they're looking at the market in Bitcoin continue to move higher from that $7,300 price. Now, we're going to talk about what Roger is talking about at the year end of 2019. He's looking for 100% price surge from where Bitcoin is traded at now, which will be around $17,000. So he's looking for Bitcoin to move up there to $17,200 by the end of the year. Over the next couple of weeks, this will represent nearly 100% surge in around 60 days time if it ends up playing out. Now, while this prediction may seem crazy, is it really? According to a number of analysis of Bitcoin, not really. Don't forget that Bitcoin just recently saw a surge in price of about 42% in one trading day. That was the largest gain in years. So all you really need to see is about 2 more days of that particular price gain in Bitcoin, and you'll be right up there around that $17,000 price. Just 2 more. Now, how likely is it that you'll see 2 days within the next couple of weeks of a 42% price gain in Bitcoin? Literally, something massive will have to happen again, kind of like with Bitcoin being more acceptive and receptive in China. You will have to get something of a bigger magnitude than that, like maybe a huge fiat currency collapsing and everyone running to Bitcoin. Now, there is another trader going by the name of Horn Harris has noted that Bitcoin's monthly chart implies a strong move to $14,000 in the next coming months. So it's not 17,000, but it's still close, really close to where we are trading at now. So now let us take a look at Bitcoin to see what it has been doing since our last video. And you all can tell we did our last video on November the 4th, 2019. We've been holding this forecast in the market ever since October 29th. We've been expecting Bitcoin to give us some price movement higher, and it has just been consolidating. I know this is a worst trader's nightmare in the market when you have multiple days of where the market is not moving. This gives us opportunity to review, analyze, and see precisely what the market is trying to tell us in Bitcoin. Okay. Now, the market can really go either direction. This type of market action that we're getting at Bitcoin, I will sideline it 100% and wait until I get a confirmation of what the market is trying to tell us. We have been literally in a perfect horizontal trading range in Bitcoin starting all the way back since October 25th, 2019. The market has not been indicating to us what direction it really wants to go. But I'm seeing some small hints in the market for Bitcoin that it is still eager to see the move higher in price. The weekly price chart in Bitcoin, you can see right here that for the most part we're consolidating. Today's weekly price bar at the conclusion of this week will definitely give us a better picture as to whether or not Bitcoin is going to be able to maintain the ability to move higher, or at least maintain the price move that it accomplished on the 21st day of October, the week of. This current weekly bar would tell us that. So I think we got a couple more days to see the market try to consolidate, maybe a couple more hours, but I'm not really that dramatic on how much weakness is present. Yes, last week on the weekly price chart in Bitcoin was there. The weakness did come in, but if y'all can tell, we're still holding that support line in the market for Bitcoin, which is right there around $9,000. Okay. Now, the article was talking about $7,350, $7,500 is where the market is going to find a very crucial area of support. And you can see right here that that is literally where the market came and bounced off of during the week of October 21st, 2019. So they're saying that that was the bottom. They're literally saying that this area here is the bottom in the market for Bitcoin. Now, if you were to take this line and draw an ascending line, the market has it has broken this major trend that the market was traded in on this particular week. And it's not a surprise that the market actually came and fell a little bit short right there on the price chart. On the price bar of the week of the 21st of October. That's not a surprise. So we're definitely still in a phase of consolidational trading. I won't be surprised though. I'm still analyzing the market in Bitcoin to continue to move higher. But I just wanted to pinpoint that this overall market trend that we were trending higher is broken. Okay, so we're trading below this overall ascending line now. So even though we are expecting the market in Bitcoin to give us some increases to the upside in price, it has to be taken into consideration that ultimately we might just simply hit 97.50 or even $10,000. All right. So I'm going to keep, once again, this price forecast in Bitcoin the same. We're not going to change it. We're still expecting the market in Bitcoin to try to give us another move higher. And I'll just be careful around 95 to around 97.50, because it might be the quick move there and then a quick moving back down to lower prices. Okay, but yeah, I'm still expecting this cryptocurrency continue to see some higher prices. Questions, comments, as always, leave us one in the comment of this video. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and as always, I will see you on the next one.